A declaration is hereby made that the President does not have authority under the Constitution to initiate changes to the Constitution, and that a constitutional amendment can only be initiated by Parliament through a parliamentary initiative and Article 256, or through a popular initiative and Article 257 of the Constitution. 4. A declaration is hereby made that the Steering Committee on the Implementation of the Building Bridges to a United Kenya Task Force report established by the President, V-Day, Kenya Gazette Notice number 264 of 3rd January 2020, and published in a special issue of the Kenya Gazette of 10th January 2020, is an unconstitutional and unlawful entity. 5. A declaration is hereby made that being an unconstitutional and an unlawful entity, the Steering Committee on the Implementation of the Building Bridges to a United Kenya Task Force report has no legal capacity to initiate any action towards promoting constitutional changes under the Article 257 of the Constitution. 6. A declaration is hereby made that the entire BBI process culminating with the launch of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 was done unconstitutionally and in usurpation of the people's exercise of sovereign power. 7. A declaration is hereby made that Mr. Uhuru Muigai Kenyatta has contravened Chapter 6 of the Constitution, and specifically Article 73, Sub-Article 1, Sub-Article A, Sub-Article 1, that the entire unconstitutional change process promoted by the Steering Committee on the Implementation of the Building Bridges to a United Kenya Task Force report is unconstitutional, null and void. 9. A declaration is hereby made that the Constitution Amendment Bill 2020 cannot be subjected to a referendum before the IEBC carries out nationwide registration exercise. 10. A declaration is hereby made that the IEBC does not have quorum stipulated by Section 8 of the IEBC Act as read with Paragraph 5 of the second schedule to the Act for purposes of carrying out its business relating to the conduct of the proposed referendum, including the verification of signatures in support of the Constitution Amendment Bill and Article 257(4) of the Constitution submitted by the Building Bridges Secretariat. 11. A declaration is hereby made that at the time of the launch of the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill 2020 and the collection of endorsement signatures,